Good morning! Ang aga-aga namang nakabihis ng Ilay. Yeah, because he poo-poo so much and wee-wee. So, ayan, trinay ko yung kanyang sleeveless one size. Ang cute ng white talaga sa baby. Nice na nice ang white. And ayan o, nasa kalagitnaan na naman siya ng big bed. Oh my God. You're not cold? You're not cold? Every morning here, mga kapinay, is cold. But gusto ko lang itry niya yung sleeveless and i-cover siya ng blanket. Ayan. That's our Eli. Yeah? You say something? You wanna say something? Come on. Talk to the guy. And this one, mga kapinay, pinalitan pala namin. Kasi yung first pacifier niya is like flat. And ayaw niyang didein. So, ito yung trinay namin. Halos same sa kanyang nipples. Halos same sa mga dinidede niya. So, ayan. Trinay namin. Why blurred? Just like blurred sa camera. Diba? Pa-round siya. Unlike the other one na flat and ayaw niya ng ganon. So, ayan, nakakita kami kahapon ng round pacifier. Yeah, why you so sexy? Ha, ang sexy naman ng Eli. Yeah. Ang sexy na. You're just 1 month. You are 1 month and 1 week. Oh my God. So, next Monday, we have 6 weeks check-up. So, we will find out how many your kg again. Oh. Ayan, ang cute talaga ng white sa baby, mga kapinay. Like, pure white, oh. Ganda. Gandang tingnan. More clean. So, that's only our video. So, that's our video for today's, mga kapinay.